Ndi muna Uganda, njagala nnyo Muganda. Ndi muna Uganda, njagala nnyo Uganda. Me as a person, I'm called Musa Muhammad. I do brands and logos, t-shirts, different logos. I do Gaza logos, Ndimuna Uganda. For musicians, I do for them logos for their t-shirts. I have for Mac, a musician called Mac the Urban. This is the brand.
Dancehall Syrup.
Dancehall Syrup is a musician, Mac the Urban.
Mac the Urban.
This logo is for Slam Nation. He's a musician in Slam Nation. A good boy has different songs. This one is Gaza. I think you have Biggie Gaza.
Yeah.
Tough Empire, everything.
Yeah.
This one is ND. It's Nato Boss. He's a musician. I think people know it. YouTube, TikTok is there. Instagram. Tough Empire is the same. You have different boxers, musicians. This is the logo of Tough Empire.
Tough Empire.
Finding Kawempe. This is Lipanda.
Lipanda Street.
Ghetto.
Where is this street found?
In Katwe.
Katwe.
Yes.
Where we are right now?
Now we're in Lipanda, Katwe.
Okay.
Okay. This is the same Gaza.
Gaza, Lipanda.
Dimuna Uganda.
I'm proud to be Uganda.
This is the logo for our country, Uganda.
Proud to be Uganda.
Uganda.
The pearl of Africa.
Pearl of Africa.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Same Gaza.
Gaza.
As myself, I'm a part of Uganda. This is the logo. Dimuna Uganda. Fiki Gaza, Nato Boss, Slam Nation, VVD, all brands I have them. My location, I'm at Katwe Street, Lipanda, is as a ghetto. It's a talent, so advice which I can give to all ghetto youths who have talents, try to use it. You will benefit on it.
So for you, what is your talent?
So my talent is I'm an artist.
Okay. And when did you start your artistry?
I think when I'm still in school, I try to make it. So I see I have some talent. I can make something
And
as a citizen of Uganda to benefit. That's me.
I'm living high class, top of the game. That's bulletproof. Pajak on my roof. Some chicks pass around. You know what? Washizan as if that's smoking. I tell her, let me show you the fire in the inn. She's kind of crazy. Maserko alwi kana marka rakbe take cover. I will have some juice. The grill like the pussy. Strong like King Kong. Them niggas change like a spider. I hate when niggas pretending. Chasing paper together. Boom. Gaza, Gaza, Gaza.
So tell us about that Ndimuna Uganda film.
Ndimuna Uganda logo is about messages, things we have in Uganda. As you see, the caption is Ndimuna Uganda. You can see Uganda Corp, our city. We have even rivers, culture, crested crane. So that's the message on this brand, Ndimuna Uganda. So it means I'm proud of this logo.
Proud to be Ugandan. So what challenges do you face while making these logos? And
the challenges I face, I think just support, because I have different logos and trading in different countries. So I think I wish I make a big shop.
So how would you want someone to help you out in case there is any?
I think someone to help me is like, we make all this brand, we keep it in a shop as a tourism, because the Ministry of Tourism can see what is on our t-shirts. The message is all about our country, all of Africa, Uganda. That's why I make this logo as a proud of Ugandan. Support I need, I think, to make a shop. I start supplying those t-shirts because I have different brands, not only Ndimuna Uganda. Tuli kumwereso tulaga brands zaffe za njawulo, tuli mu ghetto, tuva Lipanda, tukuze, tuli bato, tustrugglinga ne tusaze ofuna omulimu. Tukola brand, ezo brand zonna zange. Nina Dancehall Syrup, nina Slam Nation, nina Gaza, Nato Boss. Those are artists. Tough Empire, Gaza. Ndimuna Uganda is my country. I decided to make Uganda nkozeyo logo nga yansi yaffe. Ame designer nkola logo anjagala abajja kunfuna.
Church to inspiring okukola logo ya muna Uganda.
I'm proud of my country.
Proud of your country, Uganda.
Part of Africa. Ebintu betuyinamu kati olaba logo. I think there's a message. As a caption, we have the Muna Uganda. We have rivers, crested crane. After this, a culture. This is a hunter, you can see. So that's the message I have on this logo. Okay. So I'm proud of my country. That is the logo which I make as my country. Not only for musician and boxing. Kati nkozeyo logo ne Uganda na pengensi yafe esobole tambula. Kwa logo ezisinga wano zatambudde no Gaza etuseebweru. Bahrain, Dubai, Oman, Jordan, abasinga bagina ne Saudi. I delivered.
Omuntu waba jetaga akola atya?
Abanfuna ku simu.
Akufuna atya?
Location ne simu yange simu kanji kusomere.
Okay.
Then I tell you the location. Location tuli Katwe. Tuli eno kati tuli mu Kiguli as a ghetto, we call it Lipanda. Number yange ku simu ba 07 06 64 36 93.
Yidemu?
07 06 64 36 93. Logo, t-shirts, oyagala t-shirt ya Uganda, oyagala nkolere iyo, oyagala birthday oyina ey'omulimu. That's me.
So kunyonyolemu ekintu ekya Gaza. Gaza kitegeeza ki ate Gaza yo entuufu esangibwa wakubanga tuwulira waliyo Gaza Kawempe, Gaza Nankulabe na Tete. Gaza kitegeeza ki?
Gaza is a ghetto. Gaza twabitandikadde ebintu bya Gaza twali tukopa muyimbi bamuyita Vibes Cartel yatuwa amaanyi. As a musician, is a musician. Kati yatondawo eyo Jamaica natondayo ekifo nga bakiyita Gaza nga banyumira ne tugamba naffe tubagobere. Kyovola buli mu Uganda ghetto ezisinga betuma ghetto. Ogenda Kawempe there is a Gaza. Otuuka Katwe there is a Gaza. Oli Nankulabe there is a Gaza. Kibuli waliwo Gaza. But we are all one. I'm the one supplying the Gaza t-shirts.
Gaza Nation.
Gaza Nation.
Lipanda Street.
Lipanda Street.
To the world.
To the world. Woyo, Gaza for life. Gaza for life.
Gaza sangibwawa.
Gaza sangibwa kukandala ndetuka weriro mukulono yabikolako era bakutoga
Gaza. Lipanda happy street.
Lipanda.
Sangibwawa.
Currency. Basangira tuli Katwe.
Katwe. Kuwe direction entufu. Watuke Katwe.
Eduka nayo
Masaka wenyini tu printinga t-shirt ina talent tulina abana bo bikonde biti byonna abayimbi tubayina zekolanga biigo nkola printing logos everything.
Tuwali tutuyambeko n'akanamba ko in case
0706643693. Respect.
Katudilemu mpola sebo
0706643693.
Gaza to the world.
Respect follows you.
Thank you, sir.